Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Exness to TradingView. All right, let's begin. First, open TradingView and log into your account. At the top of the page, you will see several options. Click on the Brokers tab. This will take you to a page listing all the brokers supported by TradingView. Unfortunately, Exness is not listed because it is not officially supported by TradingView. However, there are alternative solutions. One option is to use the Exness terminal, which offers a fast, advanced, and customizable trading experience. It provides low latency, multi-asset support, and a user-friendly interface, making it a great alternative to TradingView. Another option is to use TradingView's paper trading feature. This allows you to practice your trading strategies with virtual funds, helping you refine your skills without financial risk. So that's basically how you can connect Exness to TradingView. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.